This Taurus Blender to go-to bottles features an easy-to-clean design with all parts being BPA-free for safe and healthy drinking. It includes two 16-ounce bottles, perfect for blending and taking your favorite drinks on the go. The 2-speed control allows for simple operation, letting you choose the desired blending speed. And with a powerful 300-watt motor, this compact blender provides efficient blending in a small footprint. Also, it's important to refer to the user manual before you use to ensure proper operation. With a dimension of 12 by 13 by 36.5 centimeters, making it easy to store and fit into your kitchen space. The Easy Fit system ensures a secure connection between the blender and bottles for safe blending. Lastly, this Taurus Blender is designed for convenience and functionality for your busy lifestyle.